What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Got a special unboxing look for you guys today. One of my favorite silhouettes of all time with a twist. So we've got the Animal Pack Air Jordan 3. Say less with all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. Here we have the box top. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm sure you've seen this box on a variety of different Air Jordan styles, but we unboxing the Animal Pack Air Jordan 3. So let me know what you think in the comments. I think these are pretty cool. Kind of gives me Wakanda / DX vibes. Ask me about that when you see me, but here we have the Animal Pack Air Jordan 3. Variety of different animal patterns that are featured in this shoe. So the panther, the Black Panther, would be right here in this upper area. We have the tiger hit here, the leopard hit on the overlay in the toe box, and we have actually, which is not animal represented material, we have satin, which is right there in the tongue area with the red Jumpman. Transition to the back pull tab, translucent orange pull tab with the air hit. We get to the outsole. So one of my favorite features on shoes entirely is the gum outsole. So you see the gum outsole that runs throughout with the sail hit, the Jordan detailing right there, and the black hit right there in the forefoot. I'll give you guys one last look at the Animal Pack Air Jordan 3. Of course, this one is early. This one doesn't release until, I want to say, the middle to late December, but we got them here early at Stadium Goods. So one last look. Animal Pack Air Jordan 3. Ton of animal inspired shoes, and we have some of the dopest ones right here in front of me. So we have all of these animal inspired styles, and please let me know which one is your favorite in the comments, and let me know if we missed any that you might want to call out. And we have all of these here available at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now Instagram TV. Please make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and definitely don't forget to check out Stadium Women on Instagram. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. So if you have any questions regarding anything Safari or anything Stadium Goods, please make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salute.